how to enable or disable search suggestions on your store on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable it or disable it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings and then click website. And if you can't find it here on general, just type website and then click on it. And here we'll find your store settings. Now just scroll up and then click display, and here you will find enable search suggest. Now if you want to disable it, turn it off, and if you want to enable it again, you can turn it on whenever you want. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.